Hi friends and family, now we're going to do experiment number 35, which is waterproof bag. In this, we need a Ziploc bag, some water and very sharp pencils. First, we need to put the water in the Ziploc bag and then close the Ziploc bag, and then at the water level, push through pencils through the Ziploc bag, and you will see that the water doesn't go through it. This is because plastic is made out of a chain of a lot of chain-like molecules which are called polymers. When the pencils go around the polymers, then the polymers tightly wrap themselves around the pencil so tightly that the water cannot go through. So let's implement this experiment. Looks like this. We need to push the pencil in the Ziploc bag, but before that we need to put water and lock the Ziploc bag. Then push the pencil at the water level, and you will see that no water is coming out. Then you can put as many pencils as you want. So stay tuned for my next experiment.